DUI lawyers that want to be successful have to do now and have to do in the future to keep up with the times, to provide a solid defense, to to not end up in a situation where they're just a lame duck for their clients?
Well, I think we've touched on it. First, they've got a steep learning curve. They've got to learn a lot. They've got to read books. They've got to go to seminars. They've got to join organizations like the National College for DUI Defense. They've got to learn. Secondly, they've got to start specializing. They can't handle divorces and wills and drunk driving cases. They can't even, as criminal lawyers, handle murder cases, drug cases, and DUI cases. You've got to increasingly, to be able to be that experienced, that focused, that specialized, that knowledgeable, you've got to focus on the one type of case.
Okay.
That's critical. The second thing is they've got to learn to investigate and to prepare the case. They've got to learn to get all this information from the crime lab, to get us all this information from the police department and from the DA and the DMV. This information is critical. It takes a lot of time. They've got to do independent investigation with their own investigators and expert witnesses in terms of visiting the scene, perhaps, investigating witnesses, and so on. The problem is that too many attorneys don't know what to look for and charge such a low fee that they don't have the time that they can justify doing these kinds of things.
Right, right.
So those are the things that have to be done if you're going to be successful in this field. And by successful, I don't mean making money, I mean getting results.
Helping people,